Hey everybody, welcome. It's me, Richard, with Real Men Craft 2. So, yes, I forgot to do something the other day in yesterday's video. I forgot to shout out all you new subscribers. Plus, I have a coupon code for diamond painting. Come back after the intro. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's me, Richard. So I forgot, yes, I forgot something. And those of you that follow me on my other channel, which is a booktube channel, Nightmares, Cheers, Anyone, which I will leave a link down below for that. You guys will know that every time I do a video, I shout out my newest subscribers to the channel. But in today's video, I showed all of you this creepy little, this big painting of Sam from Trick or Treat. This painting came from Peggy Bye. Yes, and I've really gotten to love their canvases. So I've got a coupon code for you guys to save 10% on your first order. And then I've got another little trick with their site. So first off, I am going to shout out some new subscribers. So you guys, I have been forgetting to do this. Now, speaking of my other channel, I love to listen to audiobooks while I'm working on my diamond paintings. I'm a huge reader. I've been reading for, oh my God, well over 50 years. But that's a whole nother story on my booktube channel at Nightmares, Tears, Anyone. So I love to listen to audiobooks. So we're gonna get more back on that subject. So let me do this really quick before I forget again. So, in no particular order, I am going to welcome two Real Men Craft 2. Here we go. There's a lot on here, you guys. There's actually, well, I don't want to show you because then you guys will just fast forward. But here we go. So in no particular order, I want to welcome House of Jane, Bernadette Ann Herndon, Flowlight, Anita AHM, Cynthia Gant, Tanya Lopez, and you guys, I'm going to put on my readers because it makes it so much easier. Yeah, it's super bright and sunny here, so I can't not get away with the sun reflecting coming inside. So let's get back to this. Carol Ann Earhart, Vagus, Vaggis 1, Sandy Preston, Marsha Campbell, Terry A, Carol Danilek, Mom 2 Greyhounds, Crystal Quintana, Amber of Too Many Crafts, Kristen Rupp. It's funny, I used to work with a Kristen Rupp at Costco in Seattle. Linnea, Elizabeth Poodle. Sorry, I wrote the second part down here on this second line. I knew I was gonna mess up. So Elizabeth Poodle, Kristen Rupp, Anne Marie Daly, Morella Mater, Lori Lawn, HSIN Canada, Patty Leva, Paisley Manatee. I don't know why I'm reading so slow, you guys. I'm actually a really fast reader. I just don't want to mess up any of your names. Denise Mom, Crystal Blumkin, Diamond Painting TM. It's probably diamond painting time. Agar 72, Darlene Hughes, Jennifer White, Nightwalker 2902, Leslie P, Time for Crafting with Nora. I love that one. Here we go with some more. Trish Evil, it's good to see you here. Trish is one of my horror channel followers. And I also want to shout out to Christy Randazzo. She's one of my followers from my horror booktube channel too. And I was talking about her in the last video, but yeah, you guys would think I had a crush on her or something. Maybe she's my secret crush. I don't know. Diamonds Around You, Short and Diamonds, Diamond Painting with Loria, Mary Nestrad, Roz W, Beauty is Wisdom, Yarn Chic 60, Karen Whitworth, Grumpy 4810, Kaylee XOXO or Hugs and Kisses. I can never remember which way it is. It's actually Dennis Letourneau. Sorry, Dennis. Cheryl Highfill, Dina Love, Danielle Flannery, Crystal Seeker, Janine V, All Fired Up Crafting Lounge, Stephanie Pacheco, Isla Hernandez, Janine Leonard, Daphnis 10 or Daphne's 10, Derek with Diamonds. I just met Derek the other day and we were chatting back and forth. Teacup Colleen, Cindy Lee DP, diamond painting. We all know what DP is. Mandy and Stitches, Ann T, handcrafted by Helen, Jennifer Dunn, Allison Anthony, and Vicky Belger. And Vicky Belger is one of Christy Randazzo's friend. So, you guys, here comes your diamond painting code. So, there was something else I was going to tell you guys. Oh yeah, about my other channel. But here is your save 10% code right here. I'm going to put it here along the bottom of the screen. But those of you that are listening to this, it is all capital letters. And you need to leave a note that you saw or got this code from Real Men Craft 2. Richard gave you the code. The code is PBYESA, V as in Victor 10. So that's P by yes save 10, whatever. I'll put it right here on the screen. It'll be right here in capital letters. All you guys have to do is key in that code. Drop a note to them that you got the code from me, Richard, at Real Men Craft 2. Their site is, and no, I'm not affiliated with Peggy Bye. I just wanted to forward this information to all you guys that have never tried diamond painting. You're intrigued by it, or you just want to go to a channel that has completely different paintings that you're gonna find anywhere else. And then I had 4 people ask me in emails just in the last 2 days, Richard, have you ever done a custom diamond painting? And I'm gonna put the camera on pause here really quick, and I'm gonna go into the other room. And yes, I've done custom diamond paintings where you send in a photo and then they turn that photo into a canvas for you. Well, my partner Bruce and I are both big, huge animal lovers. We have our little spoiled rotten dog Zero and our big fat spoiled rotten cat Butters with a Z. But before those two, we had 2 dogs, Cy and Bo. And one of my favorite photos is of Bruce and the dogs sitting out on the front steps after Bruce had done a remodel on the front porch patio. And I absolutely loved this photo. And I had sent the photo in and had a custom canvas done. But it wasn't from Peggy Bye because this was years ago. But Peggy Bye does custom photos. And like I said in the last 2 videos, if you guys are always confused or just kind of wonder, Richard, what size canvas should I order? I always like to start out with a 30 by 50 or a 20 by 40. you're just going to get better detail. But the one I'm going to show you on the wall of Bruce and the dogs is actually, believe it or not, I think it's the same size as this Trick or Treat. Actually, this Trick or Treat is 50 by 65, and the one I'm going to show you of Bruce and the dogs is a 60 by 80. So that's it, you guys. So I'm going to show you that painting in the other room here in just a second. So, okay, you guys, so we're going to go around the corner. As we go around this corner, well, the light's already on. We had to mess up and I had to start over. We're going to go around this corner like we haven't done this before. So as we go around this corner, you're going to see my Mandy Manzano painting of Mulan / Daughter of Honor. And this is a Diamond Art Club painting. Let's go around here, you guys. So, this is the Mandy Manzano painting. She's called Daughter of Honor. We know her as Mulan. And a lot of people that have never seen these paintings from Diamond Art Club, they're actually really big. I'm 6'4". If I were to put this on the floor, she's probably, I think, 5 feet. 5 feet by 1.5 feet. So let's go around the corner. I'm going to show you guys that custom painting I did. This is that custom canvas. This was done by Heartful Diamonds. These are our dogs I was talking about earlier. This is good old Wise Sai. He was an Australian cattle shepherd. That was Bo. That was Bruce's favorite. Bruce and Bo were like Sammy's twins. But enough about the story about the dogs and Bruce. This was a custom painting that I had ordered. I had sent this photo in, and this is why I always say go with at least a 50 by 70, 60 by 80, or a 30 by 50, especially if you're going to go with this much detail. There was 43 colors in this, and the detail in this one is actually great. You can actually see Bruce's eyebrows, but you can see the detail in the Buddha's hair. This is a cement Buddha that we have in our front garden, and it's actually about this tall, and you can actually see the detail of the key ring and Bo's dog tags, and you can see Bo's little brown freckles above his eyebrows. But yeah, here's our light. I mean, the detail's incredible. So you guys just have to be really, really careful when you order a custom painting, because you do not know what the detail is going to look like. And when I got this painting, I unrolled it and I thought, ooh, it's not very pretty. It doesn't really look like the photo. But once I started putting the colors in, it popped, and you can actually tell what the photo is. So there's a little story. I'm going to have Bruce zoom in right up here. But there's one stone right there, and everybody asks me, Richard, is that a wrong stone? Is that in the wrong place? It's not. There's actually it's like a window lock or something that is on like the 9th shade on the inside of our windows, but the detail actually shows it up, and it makes it look like it's in the wrong place. But I'm going to tell you what it really is. If you look at this leaf, this right here is the tip of one of these leaves that is down in the photo, and it's just catching the sun. That's what that is. So if you look like over here where the details from the sun is, that spot is the tip of a leaf. And underneath the frame, there's probably 4 more stones. You can see more of the green there, so that's what that is. It's not a misplaced stone. So, once again, you guys, you should try listening to an audiobook while you're diamond painting. It makes it so much quicker. Diamond painting is a craft, art, hobby, whatever you want to call it, where you don't really have to stop and think, or you don't really have to follow a pattern where you can't remember if you did a slip stitch or a double crochet. It's just a relaxing, and like I said, I love to listen to audiobooks. So In the next video, I'm going to give you guys a website where you can get audiobooks for free. You don't have to download them. And yeah, it's great. I've turned a lot of people onto this. But the other channel is Nightmares, Tears, Anyone. And I'll leave a link right here across the screen. I would love to see you guys in there. And if you haven't done so already to this channel, I would appreciate a huge thumbs up if you liked my videos. If you want to continue seeing any content, you can always email me also at rkevinwilson@yahoo.com or gmail.com. And I'll put that right here on the screen too. So you guys,